Hello everyone, I'm Zishansha and welcome to Z Interactive YouTube channel. And now we will learn in this new lesson about Zbrush how to make alphas for the curve brushes. So in the last lesson we have looked at and we have learned how the new curve options work. So here we will create an alpha from a mesh and we will use that alpha with our curve brush, and we will try to make different sort of options like different sort of strokes with it. So what I'm going to do, you can see here at this stage I have this alpha, and same sort of alpha I'm going to create from this dog mesh. So I want my angle, so you can see the silhouette over here. So if I will rotate it in this way, so it looks quite good, or a little bit slightly, you can also do that. So you just need a good silhouette here. Okay, now this looks fine. So what I will do, I will go to the alpha option here, and inside the alpha option I have here to mesh. Okay, and I have also from mesh. So here I will use alpha and from mesh because I want to create a alpha from the mesh. And here you can choose the resolution. I will keep it 512. That is fine. I will press OK, and now you can see it is there. However, we have to flatten it. It's not flat. So what I will do, I will go to the alpha here, back. Okay, then I will choose flat. It's already chosen here, and I will choose to mesh. And once I will do that, it will make my mesh flatter. And this is my alpha basically. So what we can do now is that we can go to the lightbox here and load any of these tools. Okay, and using the same curve tube and this new alpha, if I will draw something here, you can see this sort of a effect we are getting. Now if I will go here and you can zoom in, okay, so you will notice that that we have this curve here, okay, which is our dog alpha that we created. So very interesting. You can do your own alphas now, and with the from the mesh itself, and interesting effects you can get out of it. So this is how you can do interesting stuff. Okay, and you can just make a mesh and convert that mesh into alpha. So interesting thing, try different experiments with it and see what are the possibilities and what else you can create with this. You can make a Medusa or snakes coming out of the Medusa from it hair, from Medusa hairs. So I hope you have learned something from this lesson, and thanks a lot everyone for joining this lesson. I'm really thankful to you all for supporting me, and I hope to receive your support continuously. I have noticed that many of you are watching my videos but have not subscribed to my channel yet. So please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon so you can receive all the notifications I'm about to create. And if you have liked my video, so please hit the like button, and if you have any queries or questions, then leave them in the comment section below and I will answer them as soon as possible. And one more thing is that I have I'm soon going to introduce my membership plans on YouTube. So there are 3 membership plans, so check them out too. And a new tutorial, the new full course is coming up. It's a surprise and it's all 100% free, completely detailed from A to Z. So from amateur to advanced, A to A, like basically. Okay, so that's what you will get with it. And one request I have, that is, I've noticed that some of the viewers do not watch my videos online and instead they download them. So please, if someone is doing that and you find someone doing this, then please stop them, because this will never help me to get my hard work paid off and it will demotivate me. So I don't want to stop making tutorials for you all. Therefore, help me to get new subscribers. I will take off now. Take care, guys, till we meet in the next class. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning on Z Interactive, your own training institute.